Hello, saw your question here. Given angle is in radians, 17 pi halves, and you want to find the sine of s. You want to find the sine of s. You want to find the sine of s, or sine of 17 pi halves. So what you really want to do is find a reference angle. 2 pi is like 4 pi halves. And so if you take the 17 pi halves, how many 4 pi halves can you take away from that? And so the answer is you can take, 4 of them. 4 times 4 pi over 2, that's like 16 pi. So 17 pi halves minus 16 pi halves, the reference angle is going to be pi halves. So the sine of 17 pi halves is the same as sine of pi halves. And you're supposed to have that memorized, that's -1. So the key is to understand reference angle, and an angle 17 pi halves is equivalent to pi halves. Hope that helps.